Hello everyone, Namaste. And now today in this topic similarity, we are going to discuss about similar triangles. So just a quick recap means in the previous video we had explored that if two triangles are equiangular then they are similar, and similar triangles have corresponding sides in same ratio. Just a quick recap of that. What is similarity? Two figures are similar if one is an enlargement of the other regardlessly of their orientation. Okay. Now properties, we have discussed it earlier. If the two shapes or two figures are similar, then the corresponding sides are in proportion. This means that the length of the sides will be increased or decreased by the same ratio, that is known as scale factor. And we had drawn two conclusions from our exploration in the previous video, that two corresponding angles are equal, then we can say the triangles are similar or the shapes are similar. And if the corresponding sides are in proportion, we can say that the shapes are similar. Okay, let's understand this with an example. If two triangles are equiangular, then one must be enlargement of other. So if you see over here, this angle 60 is equal to 60, this angle over here 40 is equals to 40, and this angle over here 80 equals to 80. So this two triangles, if two angles are equal, then third angle is automatically equal, because we know sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, now the important thing over here is we have to always check for the corresponding angles and the corresponding sides. So if you see with 60-degree angle, what are the sides attached? That is PQ and PR. So corresponding side of PQ would be, what would be corresponding side of PQ? What would be corresponding side of PQ? Means if I say corresponding side of PQ, side corresponding to PQ would be AB. What is the corresponding side to PR? This side, means this side includes angle 60 and 80. So which side includes angle 60 and 80? That is AC. So corresponding angle is AC. Now corresponding sides to QR. Which side is corresponding to QR? If you see, QR side includes angle 40 and 80. Now in this triangle, which side include 40 and 80? BC. So corresponding side to QR is BC. So these three sides are in proportion, means they are in some kind of related with a scale factor. Okay. For example, we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR because two angles are same over here. So we can say, see what we did over here, PQ over AB, PR over AC, and QR over BC. These are in proportion to a scale factor that is known as K. Okay, where each fraction equals to a scale factor of enlargement. Clear with this part? See, this triangle, let's suppose if I name this as A, B and C, and if I name this as P, Q and R, and I name this as L, M and N. Okay, now this triangles, all the three triangles are similar, but which side ratio? If I am considering this triangle ABC and triangle PQR, side with angle X and Y is C and side with angle X and Y is F. So which means C over F. Now side with angle Y and Z is A and side with angle Y and Z is D, which means A over D, and side with angle X and Z is B and side with angle X and Z is E. So we can say B over E. Similarly, we can relate it to this triangle. So if you see, A by D is equals to B by E equals to C by F. This is one relation when these two triangles are similar. Now this is interesting over here. Let's suppose if we are observing this two triangle ABC and LMN. Okay, in the previous we have compared this two triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now let's check for triangle ABC and triangle LMN. Are these two triangles similar? Guess. See, if this angle y is equals to y over here and z is equals to z over here. Now these two triangles are similar because two of the corresponding angles are same, equiangular, what we say. Okay, now let's relate this part. Side C includes means angles including which side includes angle x and y, that is side C. So we can write down C. Now, which side includes angle x and y over here? If you see the orientation wise, if you check, so you will say that C is related to P, but this is not correct. Why? Because we are supposed to check the corresponding sides. So over here, angle y and x are there. So over here, angle y and x includes side R. So this would be C over R equals to y and z. Y and z side is A, y and z side is P. So this would be A over P, and the last one, that is A, that is x and z. X and z is Q. So that is B over Q. And other way of thinking this around is, if I change the orientation of this triangle LMN with respect to triangle given ABC. So see, this angle y and y are equal. These are at the same. Both this angle vertices are at the top. Only change is x over here is on the left hand side, x over here is on the right hand side. So if I draw, let's suppose this triangle in this way around, rough sketch, that is angle y over here, angle x over here, and angle z over here. Okay, now angle x vertex name is N, and angle y vertex name is M, and angle z vertex name is L. Now M and L is P, M and L is P, M and N is R, M and N is R, and N and L is Q, that is Q. Now you can directly relate that C correspond to R, which we have already seen. Now A correspond to P, which we have already seen over here, and B corresponds to Q, which we have. So it's not, we have to first check the orientation when we are checking for the corresponding sides and angles. So this point is very important and you need to be careful when you are working on similar triangles. I hope this is clear now. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.